Come to New York with me. These are all the vegetables and fruits they have. They have dragon fruit, some mangoes. I don't know what these are. Now we're gonna keep enjoying exploring Canal Street, so come with me. They have some more fruits, some coconuts, some oranges. And now we're walking. People. Now I'm over here. Look at the vibes. Everybody's vibing. Everybody's getting that bag. Got some people over here. You know it's New York. We got some frutas. We're having fun. It's New York, y'all. So now we're walking to Jollibee, guys. Come with me to Jollibee's. People. We have the Disney store. That's lit. Paramount. I wonder what that's about. We got Forever 21. They got a Mean Girls promotion going on. Mean Girls. Hey. Oh my God. What are you gonna do with magic?
I get a little burnt out after that. 5 years of my life. All right, here we go, young man. Watch. Yeah, buy him something for a change.
So I'm at Jollibee. Now I'm waiting for my food. These are the different things they got.